Hi dear Cancerians, how are you guys doing? So this is a general love reading for all the Cancerians out there. So let's quickly see what your partner and your energy is and what will be the outcome for the remaining days of January 2021. So right now your partner's energy is Eight of Swords. So they are feeling like they are kind of in jail, or they are trapped, or they are stuck somewhere in between. So they can easily come out of the situation, right, Cancer? But they are not able to come out of this situation. Maybe there is some kind of fight, or there's some kind of miscommunication between you guys, and that is making them feel like a jail or trapped or stuck or somewhere like this. And for some of you guys, your partner might be in a real jail as well. It could also be possible, right? So basically your partner right now is in emotional jail, and they have created a jail in their mind, and they are trapped in their own feelings. Okay, and right now your energy is the Magician. You are manifesting a beautiful life, a beautiful soulmate, a beautiful connection with this particular person in your mind right now. So you are manifesting this person in your life, and you might what I can see is you will be able to manifest this love in your life. Okay, so you are the Magician, you are the creator of your own life right now. So what your partner sees, how your partner sees you. Knight of Swords. Your partner feels like if there is something that that you want to tell them, then you will be able to communicate clearly with them. So basically, Cancer, your partner sees you as a Knight of Swords. They feel like you're very energetic, you're very clear in your own thoughts. You are a kind of person who wear their sleeves, who wear their heart on their sleeves. So right now they feel like you are this particular person. You are this knight that cannot hide their emotions, cannot hide what they feel right now. Okay, and how you see your partner right now is the Hermit energy. So you feel like your partner is not taking any kind of action. They are in their own world. They are like, okay, we will see what will happen. They are looking into their own emotions, looking into their own world, but they are not saying anything to you right now, and that is making you a little worrisome. Okay, right now. So what they feel for this relationship, your partner feels Queen of Pentacles. They feel very safe, very stable, very happy in this particular relationship. But what I can feel is right now you both are not taking any kind of action. You both are on the same page. What I can feel is you both are on the same page, because what you feel for this, your partner feels the Queen of Pentacles. They feel you like you're a stable person, you're a mature person, and you are able to handle any kind of emotion or any kind of upheaval in your life. And on the other hand, what you feel for this particular relationship is the Hanged Man. Although you manifested this person in your life, although you are manifesting this relationship in your life, but you are right now not taking any kind of action towards this particular person or relationship. You are kind of taking a step back, or you are kind of still. You are not making any kind of move right now. Okay, so this is kind of energy for both of you guys right now. Okay, so what they want from this relationship. Two of Swords energy is there. They want mental clarity about this relationship. They are on the crossroads. Maybe they are not able to make a particular decision right now. They are not able to make which way to go, but right now they are on the crossroads, and they are trying their best to come out of this particular crossroads situation and come back to you. Okay, and on the other hand, what you want from this relationship is again the Lovers. You want love from this relationship, you want commitment from this relationship, you want this relationship to work out no matter how long it will take, because you are manifesting this person in your life, and this is the result, this is the end result that you want in this particular relationship right now. Okay, and the outcome from their side is Ace of Wands. They will keep coming to you. See, they are coming back to you. There is no doubt in this, and there will be communication as well. There will be a passionate start as well in this particular relationship, Cancers. So they are coming back to you. They want a new beginning. They want a new chapter in this relationship to open up. They want the past to be in the past, and they want a clear communication. They want a passionate start with you, Cancer. And yes, they want this relationship to work out anyhow. Maybe right now they are not communicating well with you, but in the near future they will definitely. Okay, and on the other hand, the outcome from your side is the Eight of Cups. What I can feel is when till they are coming for this communication thing, for a new beginning thing, for a new passionate beginning with you, you will feel like walking away from this particular person, or maybe you are taking a step back from this particular person or relationship because you are feeling like, no, this is not working out in the long term, so I have to take a step back. Yes, this is a good decision, Cancerians. If you are taking away, if you're taking a step back, or if you are walking away from this particular person for the time being, that is going to help you heal, that is going to make you feel good about yourself, and that is going to make the other person miss you, and that is why they are maybe running back to you, and they want a new passionate start. When you pull back, when you are you're walking away, they are coming back to you. Okay, this is the situation right now. So the opportunity for growth from the universe is the wedding rings. If you will be patient, if you keep manifesting this person, then this will happen. The union, wedding, marriage, soul connection, eternal love, everlasting promise. You have to be patient, and this will happen to you. This is the opportunity for growth for this particular relationship. Okay, this is okay. So this is what is going to happen with you guys if you walk away from this particular person for the timing. Okay, and this is the guidance from the universe. This is the King of Raphael, warm, generous, honorable, refined. So yes, this is the message for you. Please listen to it very carefully. It is safe to trust the ability to accomplish many things at once. Follow your creative passions. So what this particular card wants to say you, wants to guide you, is focus on yourself for the time being, and this person will come back to you, running back to you. This person loves you for sure, and they want this relationship to work out. Maybe not right now, they are not communicating well right now, maybe they are giving you a cold shoulder or giving you cold vibes, but in the long run, in the by the maybe end of this January and by the start of February, they are coming back to you, and they are ready to commit to you. They are ready for a new beginning, and this can be your everlasting happily ever after, Cancerians. Okay, so yeah, this is for you guys, for Cancerians, for remaining days of January 2021. I hope it will help you guys to make a particular decision with this particular person. So thank you so much for listening. Do subscribe to my channel, and do let me know in the comment section below what you think about my readings. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.